So we are actually here. We're here right now, and what we're going to discuss is Live Good. This is actually a business presentation of Live Good, and as I mentioned kanina, ito na yung pinaka sasagot dun sa mga ano natin, sa mga pinagdarasal natin kasi ito na yung magiging pagpapatupad ng ating mga pangarap. Tingnan nyo, basahin nyo na lang yung screen nyo. Earn 2,047 or more every month. Ganyan po kalaki. Actually, yan yung minimum na pwedeng kitain dito sa Live Good in time. Alright? Pero what Live Good is promising all of us is yung kailangan natin talaga, which is what? Passive income. Kasi only with passive income that we could really have a life of freedom. Financial freedom, time freedom, yan yung key para magkaroon tayo ng mga matanggap natin yan. We can finally be financially free. Alright? So for those who don't know me yet, let me introduce myself. I'm Mon Reyes. I'm known here in Live Good as Coach Mon Reyes because I'm one of the coaches and mentors here in Live Good. Um, I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker by profession. And napagdaanan ko na lahat. I've been an employee before. Alam mo naman, as employee, almost 12 hours or even more wala ka sa office, sa bahay, di ba? Kasi 2 hours yung travel time, you work for 8 hours and then another 2 hours traveling home. So, ang pag-uwi mo talagang kain, tulog, and then wake up kinabukasan to prepare for a new day. And that's okay with us kasi nga we are expecting salary every 15th and 30th. Akala natin yun na yung tutupad sa pangarap natin, hindi pala. So what did I do? Nag-OFW din ako. Ang OFW mas masakit kasi 11 months akong wala sa Pilipinas. At yung 1 month na ini-stay ko dito, 15 days pa noon pag-aasikaso ng dokumento. So talagang nangungulila ako sa family ko. Actually, I retired as an OFW after 4 years kasi nakita ko yung panganay ko lumalaki nang hindi ako nakakasama. So yun if there are OFWs, kung meron kayong kilalang OFWs, yun yung mga yung mga struggles nila. And then I became an entrepreneur after that. Kasi nga, nag-retire ako as OFW. Nag-entrepreneur naman ako. And totoo, lucrative yung kita sa OFW. And totoo rin, hawak mo yung time mo. Pero may flip side kasi yun eh. Ibig sabihin nun, you can work any time of the day. In fact, when I was a businessman, nagde-deliver ako ng products at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. So yeah, maganda nga yung kita, hawak mo yung oras mo. Ang nagsasuffer naman is your health. Okay? Health naman kasi bugbog yung katawan mo eh. Hindi ka makatigil sa pagtatrabaho eh. And again, wala rin. Hindi rin natupad yung mga pangarap ko. Doing all of this, wala. Walang nakapagpatupad sa pangarap ko. In fact, nagkalubog-lubog pa ako sa utang. Alright? So now, I'm a full-time affiliate, coach, and mentor of Live Good. Bakit? Kasi sa Live Good, nagkaroon ako ng vision. I had this vision na talagang eto na yon. Wala nang atrasan to. I'll give this my all and then I'll see myself at the end of the tunnel being financially free, having the time freedom, and all my struggles, all my stresses gone. All right? Now, that's my story. That's my story. Kasi may kanya-kanya naman talaga tayong story eh. But this presentation is not really about me. This presentation is about you. All right? Kasi this presentation is about you. Why? Because you have your own story. I don't know where you're coming from. Okay? Posibleng ikaw to, single mom, na may problema ka sa sahod mo, hindi mo malalaman kung paano pagkakasya yung sweldo mo. Much more, paano pag-aaralin yung anak mo. Di ba? Or ikaw to, nag-OFW, 'di ba? Nangungulila ka sa family mo. And at the same time, yung mga family mo na naiwan mo dito, nangungulila rin sa iyo. 'Di ba? Ganyan kahirap yung mga struggles natin eh. Or pwede ka namang bagong employee ka pa lang. Ayan. You're starting with your career and then you realize you're overworked, underpaid. Na-receive mo yung unang salary mo, alam mo hindi makakabuhay ng pamilya. Much more, naghahanap ka ng significance for your life. Eh, pamilya nga hindi mabuhay eh, significance pa, 'di ba? Or pwede namang you are of age already and about to retire or already retired. And ang problema mo naman, saan ka kukuha ng tulong? Kanino ka namang hihingi ngayong wala na yung sweldo, di ba? Sa family, sa SSS, doon ka ba aasa? Or even worse, baka umasa ka pa sa charity. Alright? But we have to put an end to that. These are all struggles of normal people. Pero pwede na nating itigil ngayon yan. Kasi live good is here. You know what? You do live good, lahat yan mawawala. Eto na kayo, magiging ganito kayo. Ngayon, the question is, gusto nyo bang maging miserable tulad ng mga pictures kanina? Or gusto nyo maging masaya tulad nitong mga to? Diba? Happy with your kid, even if you're a single parent. Happy with your family kasi hindi ka na nag-a-abroad. And having a vacation of your life without worrying for finances. Diba? And at your golden age, you feel free because you know that money is coming in. Passive income is there. Diba? Kaya nga yung promise ni Live Good, passive income for life. Alright? Because Live Good is the solution to all our struggles. And you have to remember that. Okay, so who is Live Good? Live Good actually was launched globally December 13, 2022 with exclusive buyers membership business model. All right? Ibang-iba tayo as compared to other companies. Hindi tayo product-centered. All right? Kaya yung iba, talagang nung dumating ang Live Good, medyo na ano sila, nararamdaman nila yung presence ni Live Good because we are the only company that's offering our products at almost manufacturing price. Pero ang gaganda ng quality. And because of that, because of the different business model and because of the promises, kasi dito kung ano man yung ipangako mo, hindi ka na mahihiya kasi magkakatotoo eh. Di ba? Because of that, ang daming nagtiwala sa Live Good. In fact, worldwide, we are already at 750,000 paid members. And guess what? Nag-start lang tayo December. So 9 months pa lang yung tumatakbo. This is a world-breaking record. 750,000 paid members in as short as 9 months. See? Ganyan kaganda ang Live Good. So, the reason you are here right now because this message is for you. The reason na nakikinig ka ngayon because you are about to be blessed. Okay? This may be the answer to the prayer that you've been having. So, listen carefully kasi kakaiba talaga tong maririnig nyo. Alright. So moving forward, who is Live Good? Live Good actually is a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and digital service. Ang maganda niyan, pinagsama yan dalawang trending na industriya na yan. Wellness, bakit? Because of the pandemic. Alam na ng mga tao, kailangan nila maging healthy. Right? However, minsan sineset aside yan kasi mahal. Mahal yung mga supplements na bibili nila para maging healthy sila. Diba? And another, digital service industry. Also, because of pandemic, nag-lockdown tayo, lahat napunta sa internet. Schooling, board meetings, ngayon even paying of bills, ordering your food. Lahat nasa internet na. Ang kagandahan nito, yung dalawang trending na industriyang yan, pinagsama sa Live Good. That's why Live Good is the #1 business to join. Now, if you're looking for legalities, you have to search for the Florida kasi we are located in 1201 Jupiter Park Drive, Unit 5, Jupiter, Florida, USA. Okay, if you're looking for legalities or registration or other documents that proves that Live Good is legit, search po kayo dun sa website ng State of Florida kasi nandun nakalist dun yung lahat ng registered businesses and you'll find Live Good. Ayan nga po ina-touch ko na dito. Alright, so sino ba yung mga tao sa loob ng Live Good? And how did Live Good came about? Okay, it's actually our CEO. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky, his focus is on helping others. And that's the only reason that Live Good was created. Kasi before Live Good, ano na to retired na to. Retired na siya sa industriya, umayaw na siya kasi nakita niya nga na hindi lahat nagiging successful sa company, sa industriya, in the whole industry. Actually, napakaliit ng porsyento na nag-succeed. And because of that, nag-retire siya. However, eto na, the timing is right, the trend is right, kaya bumalik siya. And he created Live Good. He has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Ben knows how to help people win. And kung talagang mapapanood mo siya sa mga Zoom trainings niya, sa Zoom meetings, you'll see how kind-hearted he is and how much talagang ang concern niya is for the people, for us, the affiliate members. Alright? Anong ginawa niya ngayon? Nag-form siya ng team of champions. Alright? Si Ryan Goodkin. Ryan Goodkin is a doctor of pharmacy with understudy in nutritional supplement. So dalawang science pinagsama niya and he is our product formulator. Ang maganda kay Doc Ryan, sinabi niya mismo, I formulate product not to sell but for me and my family to use. So maganda para sa atin yan kasi alam natin na kahit anong i-take natin na Live Good product, not only is it of high quality, it's very safe. Kasi no man would give his family anything that would harm them. Right? Lisa Goodkin naman, the wife, she is the director of product education. Holistic wellness naman yung habol niya. Okay, not only will she educate us about the products of Live Good, tuturuan din niya tayo yung mga sleeping habits, tsaka mga eating habits, exercise. Kasi ang habol niya maging healthy lahat. Okay, Nader Kazan. Nader Kazan is a legend in the industry. He has over 30 years of experience. Imagine, 1998 pa lang, nagtitrain na yan ng mga leaders and mga leaders sa industriya. Alright? He is in the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting in the industry. Ang ginawa niya, tinanggal niya yung bad, ugly, and disgusting. At yung mga good, lalo pang in-enhance at nilagay sa Live Good. Alright? Nakita nyo, pinagsama-sama ni Ben Glinsky yung mga champion sa kani-kanilang field. Why? Because he believes that true leadership creates true success. Okay? And look at the mission. Look at the mission of Live Good. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Diba? As compared to other companies, talagang pag tinanong mo ano yung mission nila, to be the number one in the direct sales space. To be the number one in the nutritional space. Puro company-centered. Pero look at Live Good's mission, to help people. People-centered. Sinong tao? Tayo, mga affiliate members niya. Now that's change. And it's time to make a change. All right? Now, to know more about our company, okay, I want you to listen to this video. I want you to watch this video done by our CEO himself, explaining what Live Good is, and telling you why you should join Live Good. All right, so let's watch this.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. And true enough, Live Good is the most exciting company in the industry today. Imagine, 750,000 members in 9 months. Wala pa pong nakagawang company niyan. Si Live Good pa lang po. Alright? Even here in the Philippines, we started with 4 people. Ngayon, nasa 125,000 members, paid members na yan. And people are sticking. Why? Because nakakita sila ng value. It's value for money. Yun yung offer ni Live Good. Kaya nga pinalitan na natin. Instead of being product-centered, we're now offering membership club or exclusive buyers members club. Alright? Kaya dito talagang binago na ni Live Good even yung paggawa ng negosyo. Mas lalo nang pinagginawang simple. Look at this. With Live Good, no overpriced products. lahat po ng products natin napakaganda ng quality pero napakababa ng presyo. Almost manufacturing price. Okay, dinagdagan lang ng konti pero napakababa talaga. Alright? Kasi ganito yan eh. Yung manufacturing cost, lahat naman ng products mababa lang talaga pag minanufacture eh. However, nagmamahal sa ibang company kasi dinadagdagan nila. They make it 10 times, 12 times bago nila gawing ibenta. Alright? Dito hindi na natin ginawa yan. Alright? No huge cash out to join. Ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na, to join Live Good, kailangan mo lang $49.95. Magkano yon in pesos? Wala pa pong 3,000. Hindi nyo kailangan dito ng 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Hindi po natin kailangan dito. Kaya nga dito, mag-join ka, hindi mo kailangan mangutang. Di ba? 3,000 lang eh. And then no auto ship. Ano naman yung auto ship? Yan yung mga forced na volume requirement sa iyo bago mo ma-receive yung mga commission mo dun sa ibang companies. Tinanggal na rin po dito yan. Yung monthly natin para mag-remain a member, $9.95. Magkano yung peso? 580. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos a day. In 1 month, may sukli ka pang 20. Sige, pambili mo na lang ng corneto. Di ba? And then no forced buying of products. Wala po tayong obligation na bumili ka ng products dito. Alright? Pero sa ganda ng products, ikaw mismo sisiguraduhin mong hindi ka mawawalan sa bahay mo. Right? So, no selling tayo. If no selling, therefore no quota. And then no back to zero. 'Di ba? Kasi itong back to zero na to, ito yung kinakatakutan ng ibang distributor eh. Lalo na pagpalit ng buwan, lalo na mga ganitong season, 'di ba? Kasi alam nila na lahat ng pinagpagura nila the month before, mabubura lahat 'yon at magbabalik sila from zero. And then they have to work all over again. Dito kung ano yung production mo before, the following month andun pa rin. Alright, wala tayong back to zero. Kaya dito, lahat po ng effort na ilalagay natin sa Live Good, meron tayong corresponding compensation. Kasi pinadali na nga po yung pagninegosyo. Alright? But how? How can Live Good do that? Kaya nga sinabi sa video, we have adopted a different business model. And that's the membership club model. Right? Kaya tayo, we're giving value doon sa ating mga affiliate members. Okay, so what is a membership club model? Para yung ano yan, just to show you, eto, pinakamaganda siguro, I'll show you some examples of membership club. Ito yung pinaka-popular out there. Si Amazon. Amazon is access yung bibigay sa iyo niyan. They're going to give you access on their online store para mabili mo yung products nila at a wholesale price. Yun yung value na binibigay nila dun sa members nila. Magkano sinisingil nila? $14.99 per month or $139 per year. Si Sam's Club naman, pretty much the same. Nasa $50 or $100 per year yan. Depende kung anong yung type ng card na bibilin mo. Alright? Si Netflix, ito familiar tayo dito. Unlimited watching of movies and shows naman yan. Hindi po libre yan. We pay $9.99 for 15 $49 or $19.99 depending dun sa package na kinuha natin. Monthly po yan. Subukan yung wag magbayad sa Netflix, tatanggalin yung access nyo. Kasi yun yung value na binibigay niya sa mga members nila. That's why their members are paying their subscription. Alright, si Disney naman, pretty much the same as Netflix. Yun nga lang, puro Disney shows. Magkano yan? $10.99 per month or $139 per year. Si Costco, actually, if I could compare Live Good with any of this membership club, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco. But Costco is more of a physical store. Sikat yan sa US, sa Canada, tsaka other Western countries. Okay? Ang charge nila is $100 per year. At ang bibigay lang nila is a card, an identification card para pag pinakita mo yon makaka-access ka dun sa loob ng store nila. Parang Landers. Pero sa Costco, pag pasok mo sa loob, mabibili mo yung products nila. at wholesale price. Yun naman yung value na binibigay nila sa members nila. Kaya yung mga members nila willing to pay for their membership fee. Alright? Ang tanong, these are the most popular membership club out there. Pero halimbawa, nirecommend mo sila sa kaibigan mo, nirecommend mo sila sa family mo, and they became members of this club as well. Do you think you will be paid? Hindi po. These are companies that doesn't pay their members. However, si Live Good is different kasi meron tayong compensation plan. Right? So, just to show you how big a membership club and subscription industry is. Ito po, yung mga example natin kanina. Siguro pinakamagandang example dito si Zoom. Yung ginagamit natin ngayon. Very comfortable pero nasa ano lang to, nasa $14 pag 100, $14 a month pag 100 participants. Pero itong Zoom natin nasa 500 na to, medyo mataas na to. However, willing tayong bayaran because of the value we're getting as members, as subscribers. Magkano kinita ni Zoom? 4.46 billion annual revenue. Dollars po yan, ha? $4.46 billion. Alright? Ito naman si Netflix. Netflix with 238 million subscribers. Yan yung mga nagbabayad nung sinabi ko kanina, $9.99 or $15.49. Magkano kinita niya? $31.61 billion annual revenue. And then si Costco, yung sinabi kong pinakamalapit, meron siyang 123 members na halos lahat nagre-renew. Magkano kinita niya? Sa membership fee pa lang yan, ha? $4.2 billion annual revenue. Right? Ngayon, kaya ako pinapakita to kasi this is how big the membership club and subscription industry is. And we are in that industry. However, there's a huge difference between LiveGood and these other companies. Kasi LiveGood is the only membership club that pays. Kaya nga, if you refer people to LiveGood, then you would receive your compensation. Right? Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yan. Just stay tuned. Imagine, with LiveGood, being a member alone, you can actually earn up to $2,047 monthly. Monthly po yan. Alright? Of course, hindi yan overnight. Ha? This is not a scam na pinapangako namin. When you join now, bukas meron ka ng ganyan. Hindi po, pinagtatrabahuan din po yan. Mamaya papakita ko. Alright? So, we're not actually about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products. This is how it goes. As a member, okay, yung pinaka-value na marireceive mo as a member is that you would be able to access the online shop. Actually, you would have your own online shop whereby yung mga products ni LiveGood, yung mga products na makikita doon, all from LiveGood, you will be able to buy it at almost factory price. Alright? Are you getting it? So yung pinaka-produkto ng LiveGood is the membership club. And then, as a member, you get to access the different health products that is inside our online store. Alright, so clear tayo dyan, ha? Kaya natin kayang pababain yung presyo ng mga produkto natin because we're not jacking up the price kasi hindi natin doon kinukuha yung ating mga overhead expenses tsaka yung mga pang-payout doon sa mga compensation ng mga distributors. In fact, we want to put an end to that. That's what we call that price gouging. Okay? However, it's nakagawian na kasi sa industriya yan. Nakagawian na natin sa industriya na talagang pinapatong yung pambayad sa renta, pambayad dun sa salary ng country manager, ng mga staff, and even those who are earning 1 million, 2 million, 3 million monthly, palagay nyo, saan kinukuha ng ibang company yan? Sa price ng products. Kaya tinataas nila ng husto yung mga presyo ng products. Tinataas talaga nila 10, 12 times or even more. And we want to put an end to that. Kaya ayan, sa illustration, that's actually David and Goliath. Kunyari si Live Good, si David, kasi maliit pa lang tayo, we started December pa lang. And then si Goliath, galit na galit sa atin kasi binagsak natin yung presyo, dun sila kumikita. Di ba? Kaya naman gawin ba't hindi pa gawin? Kaya nga sabi ni Noder Kazan, yung network marketing director natin, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. And this is actually true. The statistics is dun sa traditional way, mga 1% lang talaga yung talagang nagiging mga top earners dun sa ibang companies. Now, 5% succeeds. However, getting by lang yon yung other 4%. Imagine, 95% doesn't have even ma-meet yung ROI nila. Or much worse, karamihan nalulugi. Kaya talagang yung ibang tao napaso na sa sa industriya But what's good about this, now that Live Good is here, pwede nating i-revive yung kanilang mga nawala ng pangarap. Alright? Now, if we talk about the products of Live Good, sabi ko nga, di ba, you'll be able to get yung mga products ni Live Good dun sa online shop na magkakaroon ka. Ano ba yung mga products natin? We're actually starting with health supplements or health products. Now we have over 25 high quality, premium quality health products but at almost manufacturer's price. Napakababa po ng presyo natin. Okay, most of them are organic. There are some na talagang hindi naman kayang gawing organic pero of top quality pa rin po. Alright? So let me show you. Baka sabihin mo, baka naman ikaw lang nagsasabi na talagang mababa yung presyo nyo. Here you go. Yung ating super greens. Super greens is a combination of different botanicals. Maganda yan sa nutrition natin. Okay, pinakamalapit na kalaban dyan, Athletic Greens. Talagang sinasabi natin yung brand, tsaka organic green juice. Magkano sila? $99.99. $69.99. Super greens natin, $18. So think about it. If you're using these products, tapos nakita mo si Live Good, merong ganito rin, palagay mo bibili ka pa ng mga yan? Hindi na, di ba? Kay Live Good na. Or if you're a distributor of these companies, tapos mahihiya ka na Mahihiya ka na. It's going to be unethical for you to sell products na mas lesser yung quality pero mas mataas yung price. So most likely, lilipat ka na rin sa Live Good. Alright? Ito pa isa. Our CBD oil. Look at the difference. Ang CBD oil natin is 750 milligrams. Ang pinakamalapit na competitor, Green Roads tsaka Young Living. Nasa 500 and 550 milligrams lang yan. What does that mean? Ibig sabihin, mas marami kang iti-take dito sa Green Roads tsaka Young Living na CBD oil. Kasi nga, mas mahina yung kanilang concentration. Unlike with us, siguro with a single drop, pwede na. So mas nakatipid ka na in terms of uses, mas nakatipid ka pa sa price. Bakit? $79.95, $89.99, sa atin $18. So you see, this is actually even like more than 75% less, di ba? So you see, we're actually offering very high quality products, even better than the others in the market, yet at a very low price. Right? Talagang we're revolutionizing the industry. Ito, collagen. Our collagen is very different as compared to others. Kasi yung iba, pag sinabi mong collagen, collagen lang ang laman. But our Genius product formulator, sinamahan pa niya ng Velocitol, Polynol, tsaka Apress Flex. Okay? Yan, pampa-enhance palalo nung mga benefits na binibigay ng collagen. Alright, magkano yan? Retail price, $39.95. Members price, $27.95. Sa ibang brand, siguro nasa $59 yan, $70. Ganun kababa. Okay? Maybe magtataka ka bakit may retail price. Mamaya explain ko sa'yo. Alright. Ito pa isa. Ito maganda. Yung sleep patches. It's a patch. Ikakabit mo lang siya sa skin mo and then it would give you an 8-hour talagang long-lasting, deep, restful, high-quality sleep. Mapapatulog ka. Kung kayo you're suffering from insomnia, order this product. Napakaganda nito. Ngayon, may counterpart yan. Kung energy naman yung problema mo, meron tayong energy patches. Okay, pampagising naman to. Alright, retail price, pareho lang sila, $24.95. Pag member ka, you only pay $14.95. Alright, why am I showing you retail price and members price? Kasi po dito sa LiveGood, you can actually buy our products in retail. Hindi ka magme-member, kukuha ka lang in retail, you pay for it in retail price, bibigay pa rin sa iyo yung product. However, if you're a member, you get lower prices. And check this out, $24.95 tsaka $14.95. There's a difference of $10. Eh magkano ba yung membership natin? $9.95. So the discount pa lang na binibigay or yung savings pa lang na makukuha mo by being a member, yun na yung pambabayad mo nung members fee mo. So why would you want to get the products at retail when you can actually get it as a member? All right? And all our products are of high quality. Over 20 premium quality, life-changing health products, raw ingredients from the most pristine location in the planet, world-class manufacturing facilities, all made in USA, approved by GMP. Yung GMP po, Good Manufacturing Practice, napakataas ng standards yan sa pag-approve ng products. Pero lahat ng products natin, ina-approve nila. Okay? All our products are lab tested for purity and potency. And certificate, we offer certificate of analysis para dun sa mga gustong mag-research further. Ano ba yung products natin? The analysis is conducted by a third party, so talagang no bias yan. And it would reflect na talagang napakaganda ng mga quality ng ating mga products. Pero ang maganda nito, kahit gaano kataas yung products natin, kahit gaano kataas yung quality ng products natin, nabebenta natin siya ng mas mura. Kasi nga, nasa membership club business model tayo. Alright? So, Live Good, membership club, magkano? $9.95 per month. Or kung gusto mo makatipid, magbayad kay isang taon, $99.95. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan. And as Live Good member, you'll save up to 75. Kita nyo naman kanina, up to 80% pa nga, di ba? Compared to products in other direct selling companies. Alright? So talagang dito, ang value na makukuha mo as a member would be the discount. Alright? The discount plus meron pang chance na kumita ka. Kasi nga, if you're happy with the discount, then by all means, just be a member. However, if you want more, kasi dito, you could actually earn up to 2,000. So my question is, would you like to earn up to 2,000 or more per month? Huwag mo kakalimutan yung or more tsaka per month. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, tuloy na kitaan yan. Alright? So if you want to learn more, stick up to the rest of the presentation. Kasi ang pag-uusapan na natin is how to make money in subscription. Alright? Are you excited? Alright, sige, let's proceed. To be able to do that, to be able to earn through Live Good, you need to become an affiliate. Okay? Papasok ka ngayon dun sa affiliate program natin. Okay, ano ba yung affiliate? Just to give you an idea, kasi si Live Good is a direct sales company. Therefore, it does not advertise on TV, on magazine, on billboards, not even in the internet. Alright? Ngayon, yung mga advertisement budgets na yan, instead na doon nila ilalagay, ibibigay nila sa mga affiliate members. Ano ngayon yung gagawin ng affiliate members? Tayo yung parang magiging referral partner. Kasi kailangan nila kailangan nilang, as a company, people need to know about Live Good. Diba? Hindi sila nag-advertise. So ano mangyayari? Word of mouth. Tayo yung mag-share sa kaibigan natin, kamag-anak natin, kakilala natin. Kahit hindi natin kakilala, tayo yung mag-share sa kanila ng Live Good, the Live Good products, the membership club, even the affiliate program. Okay? Because as Live Good affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Actually, I would describe this as the most generous compensation plan in the industry. So, yun, ganun lang. We share to other people who Live Good is. So as an affiliate, first you join. Di ba? Magkano yung joining fee? $49.95. And then you promote. How do you promote? Word of mouth. Ikwento mo lang kung ano yung nagustuhan mo dun sa Live Good and then let them know how. Give them a vision of how their lives would change doing the Live Good business. And then you will earn. Diba? Kasi nga yun pinopromote mo yung company Alright, so that's how, now the question may be, your question maybe right now is how to become a Live Good affiliate. Okay, simple lang po. Somebody actually invited you to attend this webinar or this Zoom presentation. Hingin nyo lang po yung sponsors link nila. Kasi doon kayo magre-register. And then dire-diretso na, magbayad na rin po kayo. You pay one-time affiliate fee of $40 plus the first month subscription of $995. Magkano yun? $49.95. Sabi ko nga, wala pang 3,000. Di ba? And then, since one time lang yung $40, the following month and the succeeding months thereafter, ang babayaran mo na lang is $995. Kung gusto mo makatipid, you pay $99.95. Nakatipid ka pa ng 2 buwan kasi covered non 12 months na or 1 year. Alright? So the question is, what do you get out of the $49.95? Number one, since you paid for the first month subscription, then you become a member. May access ka na ngayon dun sa membership club. You get to buy the products at member's price. Yung sinasabi kong almost manufacturing price. Number two, since alam ni Live Good, nag-affiliate member ka so you're going to promote Live Good to your friends. Bibigyan kanya ng tools. Digital marketing products, tools, and trainings. This will be available for you. At ito yung pinakamaganda. As an affiliate member, since nagbayad ka ng $49.95, you became an affiliate member, you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan. Right? Ito yung mga tools na ibibigay sa'yo. You actually have replicated websites. Dito nga 4 pa lang pero ngayon 5 na yan. Ano-ano yan? Retail site. Si retail site, di ba sabi ko, pwedeng bumili at retail. Itong retail site, ito yung ibibigay mo dun sa mga gusto mo lang maging customer. Dun sa mga hindi magme-member pero gusto yung products. Kasi dito, retail price yung makikita nila. Alright? And then, you have the power landing page. Ito naman, yung ibibigay mo, since you're going to refer people to be part of the affiliate program, ito yung ibibigay mo sa kanila. Kasi ang bubungad sa kanila dito, yung video ni Ben Glinsky explaining what Live Good is and why they should join Live Good. Right? Pero personalized lahat tong website na to sa'yo. Nakalagay yung pangalan mo. Welcome to website of Mon Reyes. Ganun yung bubungad sa kanila. Alright? Si corporate site naman, by the way, dito ka rin sa Powerline landing page, dyan din magre-register yung mga mai-invite mo to become part of the affiliate program. Alright? Para ma-recognize the system na sa inyo sila. Alright? Corporate site naman, since you're doing the business, kailangan mo ma-monitor yung movement sa business mo. Diyan mo makikita yung mga taong na-refer mo, yung mga taong na-refer ng na-refer mo, mga taong na-refer ng na-refer ng na-refer mo. Bakit importante yan? Kasi Live Good will pay you not only on your own effort, but also on the effort of those whom you brought in the business. Ang tawag dyan, passive income. An income derived with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Alright? Now, those who are looking for products, meron din tayong mga products landing page. We have Super Reds and Super Greens. Andun din yung pangalan mo. Alright. So these are the tools you can use to be able to do the business. Alright. Kaya dito, talagang ang tanong mo ngayon, paano naman ang kitaan? Good question. Yun na yung pag-uusapan natin. Kaya talagang all eyes on the screen. Tanggalin na lahat ng distraction kasi papakita ko na paano kumikita dito sa Live Good. Now, our compensation plan is structured by is powered by two structures. Number one is the uni-level and the other one is force matrix. Ano yung uni-level? Remember, magre-refer ka dito. Yan yung sinabi ko. Lahat ng directly mare-refer mo dito would fall on your first level. Sa uni-level to ha. Tapos yung mare-refer nung na-refer mo, that would be your second level. And then yung mare-refer nung na-refer mo, that would be your third level. Ang maganda nito, unlimited yung pwede mong ma-refer directly dito. If you want to refer 10 people, 20 people, 100 people, pwede. Alright? So why 10 levels deep? Because you'll be paid up to 10 levels. Sabi ko nga, hindi lang sa effort mo ikaw babayaran, pati dun sa effort, kaya mong mag-leverage dun sa mga taong naipasok mo dito, dun sa mga taong tinuruan mo kung paano gawin yung negosyo. Alright? Pati dun sa mga trabaho nila or sa mga paggawa nila ng business, makaka-leverage ka pa rin. Alright, so that's the uni level. You have to remember that. By the way, sa uni level din, ibe-base yung rank advancement natin. Alright. Now, another structure will be the force matrix, the 2x15 force matrix. Paano naman yan? Sa matrix po natin, when we become an affiliate member, we will have our own matrix. But we will be part also of a bigger matrix. Meaning, yung sarili mong matrix, may mga tao ka pa sa taas mo. Alright? And then, yung mga tao na marirefer mo rito, mapupunta yan sa matrix mo. Hindi ikaw ang maglalagay, it's going to be system assigned. Now, how is the assigning? Every person, dalawa lang ang kakabitan ng system in the matrix. Okay? So, let's say for example, meron kang 10. 10 directly na refer sa business. In the matrix, ang mangyayari niyan, ikaw, ikakabit yung unang 2 sumali sa'yo sa ilalim mo. And then that's it. Hindi ka nakakabitan. E ano mangyayari dun sa 8? Yung 8 ngayon, ikakabit na dun sa mga nasa ilalim mo. Tagalawa rin. And then kung may sobra pa, ikakabit pa dun sa mga nasa ilalim nila. Alright? System assigned po yan, kaya hindi natin pwedeng ipangako dun sa mga i-invite natin dito, sige mag-join ka, ilalagay kita right under me. No, you cannot do that. Alright? As far as the matrix is concerned, system po ang mag-a-assign kung saan magfo-fall yung mga tao. Ang maganda nito, since may mga tao sa taas mo, sila, pag gumawa ng trabaho, palagay mo saan mapupunta yung mga taong dinadala nila or nare-refer nila. Most likely, most probably, magkakaroon ka rin, makakatanggap ka rin from sa trabaho nila. So makaka-leverage ka rin dun sa trabaho nila as far as the matrix is concerned. Ang tawag doon spillover. Tapos yung mga nadala mo rito or yung mga tao na punta sa matrix mo, when they do the business and refer people, kanino mapupunta yon? Sa loob ng matrix nila. Eh nasa loob sila ng matrix mo. So dagdag na naman yon dun sa matrix mo. Alright? Now, up to 15 levels deep yan kasi babayaran tayo up to 15 levels deep depending on our rank. Alright? Why is this important? By the way, si matrix, si force matrix, it has nothing to do with binary or pyramiding. Ganyan lang po talaga magiging structure niyan. Kasi nga dalawa lang ang pwedeng ikabit sa isang tao. So ikaw, kinabitan ng dalawa, yung dalawang sa ilalim mo, kinabitan ng tagalawa, and so on and so forth. Magmumukha talaga siyang triangular in shape. Alright? So why is this important? Kasi dito po i-compute yung ating compensation using these two structures. Because there are 7 ways to earn here in Live Good. Ang pinakamabilis, yung weekly fast start bonus. And then we also have the matrix commission. Meron din tayong retail commission. Yung weekly fast start tsaka yung retail commission, ang pinagbabasihan yan yung uni-level structure. Yung matrix commission na monthly mong matatanggap, ang binabasihan yan yung force matrix. Pero if you notice, meron nasa gitna matching bonuses kasi hybrid yan. I-mix yung uni-level tsaka yung matrix to be able to compute for your matching bonus. And mamaya pag dinidiscuss ko na tong matching bonus, makinig ka maigi. Kasi ito ang income na makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap mo. Alright? There are other means to earn here like influencer bonus, diamond pool bonus, and crown diamond pool bonus. So pag-usapan na natin. Meron tayong weekly na re-release, meron tayong monthly na re-release. Ang tanong ko, anong gusto mong income? Monthly o weekly? O both? So if you prefer both, yan na natin. Discuss natin pareho. Okay, let's start with our weekly fast start bonus. Bakit siya weekly? Kasi weekly siya nare-release. Alright? Katatapos lang nung cutoff natin kahapon ng 3 p.m. Okay, lahat ng pumasok dun sa mga affiliates na nagre-refer dito, anytime hanggang Friday 3 p.m. matatanggap nila yung weekly fast start nila the following Friday. The following Thursday pala. Kasi advance yung release ng commission dito. Okay, ano ba yung fast start na yan? Excuse me. So remember, if you're not an affiliate yet, ang unang-una mong gagawin is mag-join ka, become an affiliate. How do you do that? By paying $49.95. And then you start sharing the business to others. Yun nga yung promote side, di ba? You tell your friends, family, kahit sino, kahit hindi mo kaibigan, start promoting the business. Now, every successful referral na magagawa mo dito, Live Good will give you $25. Kasi yung mga successful referral, meaning sila din nagbayad ng $49.95, just like you did. Okay? Every successful referral, $25, $25, $25. Okay, did I mention anything about quota? Did I mention anything about volume requirement? Did I mention anything about auto ship? Wala po. Ang sinabi ko lang requirement, kailangan isa kang affiliate member. And you're an active member, meaning you're paying your subscription. Okay, so that's one. And then second is you are successfully referring people in the program. So ang makakatanggap lang po nitong bonus na to are those who are referring the program to other people. All right? And this would be received weekly. Weekly fast start for those who share Live Good. Get unlimited $25 for every successful enrollee who pays $49.95. Alright? Unlimited po kasi unlimited din yung pwede mong ma-refer dito sa Live Good. Alright? And this would be received weekly. Yun yung maganda dyan. Okay, ano naman yung 10 levels deep? Kasi nga, depending on your rank, you will paid dun sa mga trabaho nung mga na-refer mo rito kahit hindi mo na sila kilala. Alright? So we all start as unranked here, meaning wala pa tayong nare-refer na kahit isa. Or kung meron man, iisa pa lang yung na-refer natin. Either way, once na makapag-refer ka, bibigyan ka $25. Ang maganda nito, pag dalawa yung na-refer mo, think about this, you paid for $49.95. May dalawa ka na-refer, that's $25 plus $25, $50. So bumalik na yung perang lumabas sa'yo, right? Na-receive mo na yan. Ang kagandahan nito, ganun lang din kadali maging bronze dito. In fact, makapag-successfully refer ka ng dalawa, bronze ka na. So what's in it for being bronze? When you're bronze, you get to enjoy yung level 2 mo. Yung level 2 mo naman, should yung dalawang na-refer mo decide to do the business at nag-refer din sila, hindi mo na trabaho na nila, meron ka pang kita. That's $5. Now, pag nag-silver ka, you get to enjoy up to level 3 and 4. Pag nag-gold ka, up to levels 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum, up to level 7 and 8. At pag nag-diamond ka, up to levels 9 and 10. Alright? Ganun lang po. Ngayon, yung discussion ng pag-rank up, it's on another video. If you want to know more about it, just let me know. Pwede kong i-share sa inyo yung video na yon. Pero ang kagandahan nito, pinapakita ko sa inyo, you can actually leverage on the effort of others here in Live Good. Trabaho na ng iba, kumikita ka pa. That's what we call passive income. That's what we call leveraging. Alright? Di ba ang ganda? Unlike sa iba, may affiliate marketing nga. Kaso, ang kikitain mo lang doon sa mga mapapasok mo. So habang buhay ka ngayon tuloy-tuloy nagpapasok kung gusto mong tuloy-tuloy kumita. Di ba? Dito hindi. Time will come, tumigil ka na sa pagtatrabaho kasi nagtatrabaho na yung mga taong nasa ilalim mo, kumikita ka pa rin. So meron ka ng time freedom. May financial freedom ka na kasi may passive income ka, may time freedom ka pa. And remember, unlimited yung pwede mong ma-direct refer dito sa Live Good. Alright? Now, eto, kikita ka from the people na mare-refer mo. What about from those na magbabayad ng subscription? You can actually earn from subscription per month here in Live Good. Ang tawag dyan, yung tinatawag na Matrix Monthly Commission. Ang release naman ito every month. Remember yung force matrix natin, power of 2? Sa ilalim mo, magkakaroon ng dalawa. Tapos yung dalawang napunta sa'yo, kakargahan ng tagalawa. That's 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. And remember, sinabi ko rin, the people in your matrix can come from you, yung mga direct na na-refer mo, can come from the people inside your matrix, yung mga tinrabaho nila, yung mga dinirect naman nila, and can also come from the people na nasa taas mo. Yung tinatawag na spillover, auto spillover ang tawag doon. Alright? Now, kahit saan galing yung mga tao, basta napunta sa matrix mo, babayaran ka ni LiveGood ng $25 every time they pay the $9.95 monthly subscription. Alright? Let me just make it clear, no? Pag nag-join sila, $49.95 ang nire-release ni LiveGood are the fast track. So wala ka pang matrix commission doon. The following month, ang babayaran nila is $9.95. That's the time when your matrix commission will start. Alright? So kahit trabaho mo, trabaho ng nasa taas mo, trabaho ng nasa loob ng matrix mo, so long as nasa loob ng matrix mo yung tao, bibigyan ka 25 cents. Baka sabihin mo, ano naman yan, 25 cents, ang baba naman. Alright, let me show you this. This is how a matrix look like. Di ba sa level 1 mo, may dalawa. Halimbawa, napuno na yung level 1 mo, may 50 cents ka. E napuno yung level 2 mo, ilan yung tao sa level 2? 4, may $1 ka. Tapos sa level 3, 8, that's $2. And so on and so forth. Sa level 4, may 16, that's $4. Sa level 5, may 32, that's $8. And guess what? Level 5 pa lang yung napupuno. 40 people pa lang in your matrix. Kaya nang i-cover yung $9.95 subscription mo. Bakit? Kasi $10 na yun eh. 40 times 25 cents. That's $10 na, di ba? So, self-paying na yung subscription mo. Ang maganda nito, even if, okay, I'm not suggesting this, I'm not recommending this, pero let's say for example, you tried referring people to the program. Unfortunately, busy ka pa sa iba mong ginagawa, busy ka sa mga iba mong activities, hindi ka nakapag-refer. You were not able to successfully refer people to the program. You would still be paid on your matrix income up to 12 levels deep. At tignan mo, pag napuno yung 12 levels deep niyan, ang total people in your matrix, it's 8,190 people in your matrix times 25 cents. Doon po nanggaling yung $2,047.50 monthly matrix commission. Alright? Bakit monthly? Kasi lahat yung mga tao yan definitely magbabayad ng $9.95 monthly subscription nila eh. Bakit? Kasi they get the value out of doing that. Yung discount. And also, they're earning. Especially if they're already an affiliate member. Di ba? But why would you be satisfied there? Kasi if you don't successfully refer people here, hanggang dyan na lang yung kikitain mo. That's about 100,000 pesos monthly. Okay? Why would you be satisfied here? Sabi ko nga, kumuha ka lang ng dalawa, magbo-bronze ka na eh. Now, if you become bronze, you get to enjoy up to level 13. Magkano yung level 13? Ang matrix income ng level 13, doble agad. $4,095.50. Okay? That's for bronze and silver. Pag naging gold or diamond ka, up to level 14 ka, that's $8,191.50. As gold and platinum. So rank up. Continuously invite people to become part of LiveGood. Continuously refer people to the affiliate program. Kasi pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to the 15th level. That's $16,383.50. Magkano yung in peso? 900,000 pesos po. Monthly income. And that's what we call our $10 business. Bakit? $9.95 lang yung binabayad ko monthly eh. Pero ganito kalaki yung return. Di ba sinabi ko lucrative? Di ba sinabi ko generous? Yan. Alright. So this is our monthly matrix commission. Okay, baka sabihin nyo, baka naman kailan ko naman matatanggap yan 2,000 na yan if ever hindi nga ako magre-refer? Isa lang po masasagot ko doon, hindi ko alam. Di ba? Posibleng magtagal siya. Posibleng 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Alright? Medyo ano na yan, ha? Medyo extremes na yan. Pero is it worth it na magbayad ng subscription for 3 years para lang matanggap yung 2,000? I'll show you. Sorry. Ayan. So let's say for example, monthly ka nagbabayad, $995. 12 months na lang, 1 year, bago na puno yung matrix mo. Magkano yung binayad mo? That's $119.40. In peso, that's 6,724. Yung total na yan, ha? Magkano yung ano mo? Magkano yung matrix income mo? 2,047.50. So sulit, di ba? O 3 years, 3 years, hindi na puno yung matrix income mo. Magkano yung binayad mo? 358.20. Kung halimbawa nagbabayad ka ng annually. Okay, that's 20,000. Meron kang 2,000. That's 100,000 monthly. Tsaka hindi mo naman pupunuin to mamaya discuss ko. Let's say 5 years na lang, 60 months. That's 33,620 compared to a monthly income of 100,000. So sulit po. Huwag lang kayo maiinip. Kasi yung iba naiinip Alright, feeling nila, ano ba yan? Wala akong kita. But think about this. Kanina nga sinabi ko, magkaroon lang ng 40 people in your matrix, self-paying na yung iyong account. Your income will be used to pay for your monthly subscription. Yet, time will come, darating pa rin yan, aabot pa rin ng 2,047.50 yung income mo. Diba? And you would receive that 100,000 pesos monthly. Alright? So wala kang ibebenta, wala kang bibilhin, wala kang i-enroll, kikita ka pa rin. That's live good. Alright? However, I don't encourage this. In fact, I would encourage you na pabilisin mong mapuno yung matrix mo. How do you do that? Simple lang po. Simple lang. Hindi magsisimula ka, ikaw mag-isa, di ba? Alright? When you're already an affiliate, meaning you already paid for the $49.95, what you do is immediately share the program to 2 people. Okay? Tapos yung dalawang makukuha mo rito, by the way, why would you do that? Para mabawi mo yung $49.95. And then yung dalawang makukuha mo rito, yun din ituro mo. Immediately share the program to 2 people para mabawi nila yung $49.95. And do that weekly. Now, if that happens on a weekly, naging kultura na doon sa organization mo na talagang weekly yung bagong sali, kukuha ng Tagalawa on their first week, ito mangyayari. Nadadagdagan ng 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. On the 12th week pa lang, umaabot na ng 8,190 yung tao sa matrix mo. That means you would be receiving the 2,047.50 already. Matrix commission. Okay? Ngayon, kung hindi ka na-satisfy sa dalawa, natuwa ka kasi after referring to, di ba, kumita ka ng 50. What you did? Continuously, nag-refer ka, dalawa weekly, dalawa weekly, dalawa weekly, dalawa weekly. And then eventually, tapos yung mga nare-refer mo, tinuruan mo rin. And then eventually, you rank up. Pag naging bronze ka, abot ka ng level 13, bronze and silver. Pag naging platinum and gold and platinum ka up to level 14. Pag naging diamond ka up to level 15. On the 15th week pa lang po, puno na yung 2x12 matrix nyo. Alright? Ganun lang po siya kasimple. But it's not going to be that easy. People might say no to you. People might not believe you. But then again, paulit-ulit lang po natin gagawin. It's going to be simple. Simple things repeated many times over produces good results. Alright? Alright. Now, sinabi ko kanina, pag nag-discuss na ako ng matching bonus, makinig kayo. Bakit? Kasi ito yung magpapayaman sa atin. Now, this is the time that I'm going to discuss the matching bonus. Remember, sinabi ko rin kanina, para siyang hybrid, i-combine yung unilevel tsaka yung matrix, di ba? Now, every person na mare-refer natin dito, they would have their own matrix, right? If they would have their own matrix, meaning they would also have their own matrix income. Now, Live Good will pay you 50% of whatever they receive as matrix income as matching bonus since ikaw ang nakapag-direct refer sa kanila. Alright? Did you get that? So let's say for example, ayan, so matching bonus actually, 50% bonus from the matrix commission of your direct enrollee. Ibig sabihin, meron sila, marireceive nila ng buo yung kanilang matrix commission. Ima-match lang ni LiveGood kasi ikaw ang dahilan kaya sila nandito sa LiveGood. Ima-match niya 50% of whatever they receive. So let's say for example, you were able to direct refer 4 people, A, B, C, and D. Si A, nagtrabaho, kumikita na ng $1,000 sa kanyang matrix. Ikaw may 500 kasi 50% ima-match ni LiveGood. Si B, kumikita na ng 500, ikaw may 250. Si C, kumikita na ng 100, ikaw may 50. And si D, kumikita na ng 200, ikaw may $100 pa. Pero ang maganda nito, unlimited yung pwede nating madirect refer dito. So why stop at 4? Continuously refer people. Yun nga po yung key dito, referring people. Alright? Ang maganda niyan, hindi pa dyan natatapos yan kasi meron pang tinatawag na generation matching. When you rank up here in LiveGood, we will give you generation matches. So for your personally enrolled, meron kang 50%. Pag nag-silver ka, meron ka pang 10% sa first and second generation mo. Pag nag-gold ka, up to third generation, may marireceive mo 5% each. When you rank up to platinum, you'll receive up to 4th generation, 5% each. Pag nag-diamond ka, ikaw lang ang mag-enjoy up to 5th generation, 3% each. Okay? Let me show that in monetary value, yung pinaka-simple na matrix computation na lang kunyari. Ikaw, for example, nag-direct sponsor ka ng 10 tao. So there are 10 people in your team. Each of this, eventually, they start earning $100 na lang in their matrix. 50% sa'yo, that's $50. 10 sila, that's $500 matching bonus. Alright? And then yung 10 mo decided to do what you did, di ba? Nag-refer ka ng 10, sila din, nag-refer ng 10. That's an additional 100 in your team. You're already a silver by then. You have a second generation silver bonus of 10%. So let's say for example, yung matrix nila is $100 na lang, 10% nun is $10, 10 sila. That's $1,000 additional matching bonus for you. Yung 10, nag-refer pa ng 10, additional 1,000 in your team, that's already your third generation gold, 1,000 people, each of them earning $50 na lang kunyari in their matrix. May 5% ka pa, that's $250. 1,000 sila, that's $2,500. Tapos yung 1,000, nag-refer pa ng tag-5 na lang. Additional 5,000 on your fourth generation, platinum ka na niyan. $50 na lang kunyari yung matrix income nila, may 5% ka pa, that's $250. Pero 5,000 sila, that's $12,500. Alright? Now, yung 5, nag-refer pa ng tag-5 na lang, additional 25,000 in your team. You're already a diamond. Each of them earning $30 na lang. May 3% ka pa rin, 90 cents. Pero wag mo mamaliitin yung 90 cents na yan. Kasi saan i-multiply yan sa 25,000 people? That's $22,500. So all in all, your matching bonus for that month, for the 5 generation, umabot ng $39,000. Right? Now, sabihin mo, Mon, theory lang yan eh. Mangyayari ba talaga yan? I would now like to share you two different income, actual income of two different coaches here in LiveGood. But before I do so, magbibigay lang ako konting disclaimer. Number 1, hindi porkit kinita nila to, kikitain mo rin. Posibleng maging mas malaki yung kita mo rito, posible ring mas maliit. Depende dun sa effort na ilalagay mo. But knowing these people, they have given their all here in LiveGood. Alright? Number 2, hindi akin to. Okay? Pero ito yung magiging future income ko. That I can assure you. Kasi ito na yung nakita kong vision. Ito nga yung mga magtutupad ng pangarap ko. Eh. Diba? So let's show. Number 1, si Coach A. Nung June 1 to 30, ang matrix income niya, $1,388. But look at the matching. $12,367. Imagine, 12 times more nung matrix niya. Bakit? Kasi tuloy-tuloy lang yan nagre-refer. Refer lang ng refer, direct refer, direct refer, direct refer. Lahat na nade-direct refer niya, tinutuluan niyang gumawa ng business. Therefore, lumalaki yung matrix nila. Therefore, nagkakaroon siya ng matching. Alright? During that time, diamond na siya, kaya meron na siyang diamond bonus pool. 5,000. Mamaya, didiscuss ko pa lang yan. And then, ito yung ating second coach. Si second coach naman, our second coach, nung July, ito July pa lang to ha, ano na ngayon, September. July, umabot na ng 1,299 yung matrix niya. But look at the matching bonus. It's 44,810. Bakit? Kasi meron siyang 400 direct referrals. Ganon kadami yung direct niya, ganon kadami yung minamatch niyang matrix, ganon kadami yung kalaki yung naging matching bonus niya. 44 times more than the matrix. Since diamond na rin siya, in fact, crown diamond na siya nung month na to, umabot na ng 70,000 yung kanyang monthly income. Alright, kaya dito talaga ang pinaka ano namin, encouragement namin is for you to do direct referral. Alright? Let's say for example, you encountered a person na nagsabi sa iyo, I don't do referral, but I will join you. For all time's sake, tanggapin mo pa rin, pero ask for a favor. Sabi mo, penging favor for you and for me na rin. Alright? Ganito, instead na ikaw lang talaga mag-isa, magdagdag ka pa ng 2 family member. Anak mo, tsaka asawa mo, isama mo rito. Why? Number 1, yung magiging matrix niya aabot na ng 13th level. That's 4,095.50. Number 2, yung 2 pinasok niyang members, magkakaroon ng 2,047.50 each sa matrix pag napuno na. That's a total of 4,095. And then you would still have a matching bonus of 50% from each of your family member. That's an additional 2,047.50. Magkano yung kikitain ng buong family? $10,238 monthly pag napuno na yung mga matrices nila. Alright, that's 573,000 pesos monthly income, monthly family income. Alam mo, pag ginawa mo to, pasasalamatan ka ng gusto ng kaibigan mo. Bakit? Kasi instead na 100,000 lang yung nare-receive niya, kalahating milyon na yung natatanggap ng buong pamilya niya. Alright? Pero I would still really, I cannot emphasize this enough, na talagang kailangan natin mag-direct referral dito. So let's say for example, naka 20 direct referral ka. Yung 20 direct referral mo decided not to do the business, naghintay lang talaga ng spillover. Naghintay lang mapuno yung kanilang matrix. Let's say for example, after 5 years, finally napuno lahat yung matrices nila. Ito mangyayari, each of them will receive 2,047.50, right? Ngayon, you get 50% of that. That's 1,023.75. 20 sila. That's 20,475. Magkano yung matching income mo? 1,146,000 monthly. Kung ganyan nakalaki kinikita mo, kung ganyan na yung monthly income mo, talagang matutupad na yung mga pangarap mo. Definitely wala ka ng utang niyan. Di ba? What if you make 30 direct referrals? Each of them talagang instead na talagang nag-abang lang nagtrabaho. So they're now receiving 6,000 in their matrix. May 50% ka, that's 3,000. If 30 sila, that's $90,000 monthly income. 5 million peso month after month after month after month after month. If you're receiving this much, just think about this. If you are religiously giving tithes to your church, 10%, yung monthly tithes mo, 500,000 pesos. Diba ang sarap? Nakakatulong ka sa maraming tao. Baka kaya mo na mag-support ng isang foundation dito for the elderly or for the abandoned, Diba? Grabe. I am sharing this to you because this is your future in Live Good. If you do Live Good, ito yung magiging future income nyo. Kaya dito talagang we encourage people to do direct referral and we encourage you to rank up. And how do you do that? Continuously refer people to the program. But there is a simple way of ranking up to become diamond. Mamaya, I'll show you bakit maganda maging diamond. The simplest way is kanina yung get to, teach them to get to, pampapuno lang ng matrix yon. But if you really want to rank up, you get 3 and teach them to get 3. Alright? Bakit? Ito mangyayari sa'yo. On the first week, nag-iisa ka pa lang, tapos nakakuha ka ng 3. Yung 3 nakuha mo, tinuruan mo kumuha ng 3, additional 9. Yung 9, tinuruan nila. Hindi na ikaw. Sila na nagturo na kumuha ng tagatlo. That's an additional 27. And then 81, 243, 729. On the 7th week pa lang, diamond ka na. Kasi ang requirement lang ng diamond, 2,500 active members. In your organization, you already have 3,729 active members. Pag nagtuloy-tuloy yan, on the 10th week pa lang, crown diamond ka na. On the 11th week, umaapaw na yung matrix mo. Ang dami mo nang na-bless ng mga napasok do sa organization mo. Alright? Now, why is it important for you to become diamond? Kasi si diamond po, tsaka si crown diamond, they're also receiving a profit sharing from the company. Lahat ng kinita ng company from the products, from the affiliate membership, from the subscription, lahat yan pinagsama-sama tapos kinurutan ng 2%. Yung 2% ngayon, dinivide among all diamonds. Currently, we already have 60 diamonds, pero each of them receive $4,000 monthly diamond bonus pool. Imagine that. Yan yung tinatawag na passive income talaga. And huge for that matter. Huge, continuous kasi monthly na yan, and passive income. Kasi wala na. Hindi na nila tinrabaho yan. Actually, trabaho na nung business yan. Sharing na, profit sharing na. Now, si Crown Diamond Pool, makakatanggap na dito sa 2%, magkakatanggap pa siya ng 0.5%, 0.5% profit sharing for themselves. Right now po, dadalawa pa lang yung Crown Diamond natin, si Tim Miller and our very own Coach Fernan Santiago. Siya pa lang po yung pangalawang Crown Diamond sa buong mundo. Sila pa lang po ang naghahati sa Crown Diamond bonus pool. That's the reason why I encourage you to rank up all the way up to the Crown Diamond position. Alright? Huwag po kayong tumigil hanggat hindi kayo nagiging Crown Diamond. Alright? Kasi ang laki ng benefit. Not only are you getting the value out of being a member, you get the benefit, the profit sharing. And ang maganda nito, lahat ng diamond na ngayon, lahat ng Crown Diamond, they all started just like you and me. Affiliate member. Except if you're not yet an affiliate member right now. Okay? Pero become an affiliate member, nasa first, na-meet mo na yung first requirement of becoming diamond, of becoming Crown Diamond. What's that? You're an affiliate member. Now, if you're not yet an affiliate member, I hope I can help you with this. 4 reasons to join. Number 1, we just officially launched. Kasi simula pa lang po natin noong December. We're still on the pillars stage. Talagang foundation pa yung binubuo. Wala pa tayo sa pioneering stage. Number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. Nakita nyo naman kanina. Number 3, marketing system tools and trainings. This is one of the tools you can actually abuse. Invite lang kayo, no explanation, dalhin nyo lang dito sa Zoom. Ako mag-explain, ako magko-close kanino yung account sa inyo. And we also have locals and international trainings available. All the websites are available there. Ang dami nyo pong magagamit to equip you in doing the business. Number 3, a simple, powerful, lucrative, and very, very generous pay plan. In fact, sinabi po ni Ben Glinsky himself, they're giving away 85% of their income to the affiliate members as part of the compensation plan or the pay plan. Di ba generous? Kaya nga dito, ang daming nagtiwala sa LiveGood. We already have 750 members worldwide and 120 members here in the Philippines alone under our team, Dreammaker Worldwide. Alright? Another reason, kung kayo nalalakihan kayo dyan, I'm telling you, we're still on the tip of the iceberg. Kasi simula pa lang po natin. Maliit pa lang yan. Kasi kung nakita nyo yung ibang club membership, umaabot ng 200 million, lalagpasan natin yun. Kasi nga, we're a membership club that pays. So kung halimbawa, hindi ka pa affiliate member right now, decide now to become one because the timing is perfect. The timing to become an affiliate member is now. Now, if you're already an affiliate member, wag na wag po kayong bibitaw. Always check your subscription if updated. Make sure you pay your monthly subscription. Kung kaya niyong bayaran ng maaga, bayaran niyo ng mas maaga. Why? Kasi nandun na nakaposition na kayo nandun na kayo sa top Bakit pa kayo bibitaw? Look at the future. Don't just look at the now. Sabi ko nga, huwag kayo maiinip. Kasi 2 years, 3 years, 4 years from now, ang laki-laki na po ni Live Good. Aabot na tayo ng 200 million subscribers or even more. Even more. Talagang more ang mangyayari dyan. And once you're already at the top, guess what? Saan mapupunta yung 200 million na yan? Nowhere but beneath us. Sa ilalim lang po natin. I'm not saying na sila hindi na magbe-benefit. Lahat po ng nagiging member ng Live Good magbe-benefit. Tayo lang po na nauna. Tayo lang na nasa pillar stage. Tayo yung magbe-benefit ng mas maaga. Alright? Kasi the timing is right. Timing is everything. Kahit ano pa po sabihin nila, the perfect timing gets the best benefit. Alright? And here in Live Good, we would receive passive income for life. Monthly po, dire-diretso tayong kikita dito. Passive income. Why? Because the members will not let go of their subscription because of the value they're receiving. Alright? Tsaka napakagaan dalhin. Online na kasi lahat Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa kung saan-saan para makakuha ng taong i-refer dito. Therefore, if it's online, you'll get it's practical, it's convenient, quick and easy, and it saves time and money. Alright? Ngayon, sinabi ko kanina when I started, I don't know where you're coming from, di ba? And I told you na mamili kayo, ano mas gusto nyo, yung miserableng buhay o yung mas masayang buhay. Kasi baka ito kayo ngayon you can be overworked, underpaid, financially unsecured. Or baka naman maganda yung work nyo, you're well paid kaso wala kang time for your family. Or baka naman OFW ka, nangungulila ka sa family mo. The question is, what awaits you when you retire? When finally, wala ka nang kinikita. If you don't have passive income, I'm going to be direct with you. It's not going to be a good future. All right? But think about this. It's time to make a change nga However, if you don't change anything in your life, you cannot expect a different result. So the decision is yours. The decision to make a change in your life for the better is in your hands right now. Kasi, look at this. Imagine if you do live good today, where would you be in the coming years? Remember, lahat ng nangyayari sa atin, it's a result of our past decision. But we are given a reset button right now. You make a decision right now to do live good, ito mangyayari sa buhay mo. You can actually create your future. You can have more income than bills at the end of each month. And yes, na-witness ko po yan sa mga coaches natin ngayon. Alam na alam kong talagang more income than bills ang tinatanggap nila. Alright? You'll have more time spent with your family and friends. In fact, yung ating coach pupunta ng Japan over the weekend. Wala lang. Just magkakape lang. Sabi niya. No, that's something good. Imagine, kasama niya yung family niya, pupunta siya ng Japan. Kasi he has the time to do it. And since passive na yung income niya, talagang dire-diretso. Pumapasok kahit nasan siya. Alright? And then you'll have the freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. Ang tanungan na dito, where do you want to work today? Diba? Sa beach? Sa Las Vegas? Speaking of Las Vegas, malapit na sa April. And then, life without debt. Definite po to. If you're earning 1 million a month, definitely kaya mong bayaran yung mga utang mo, pati utang ng kapitbahay mo. Kasi yung kapitbahay mo, biyanan mo. Bayaran mo na rin, di ba? Pakita mo na rin yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya. And look how happy you would be. At ang maganda nito, if you have more than enough, actually, kung ngayon nga na hindi pa ganun kadami yung kinikita mo, you're willingly giving na, imagine, if you have more than enough, ang laki ng magiging givings mo. Right? And then you can take vacation as often as you like because you have passive income, you have income coming in even when with no participation in the business at all, hindi ka worried. Hindi tulad nung empleyado ka, magbabakasyon ka, 3 araw lang, naubos yung sweldo mo, kinabukasan, hindi ka pa nga well-rested, papasok ka na. Bakit? Kailangan ko kumayod kasi ang laki ng utang ko eh. Di ba? Now, the decision is yours. You want this kind of life or you want the life that you have right now? Diba? Baka naman happy ka na kasi na ano ka, yung getting by lang or making ends meet or pag kinapos lalapit kay lalapit sa financial institution para mangutang, lalapit sa kamag-anak, lalapit kay ate, kay kuya. If you're happy with that, then go ahead, continue, don't change anything. But if you're not, you're being given a reset button. Press that reset button, make a change, make a decision right now. Change for a better life. And you do live good. Why? Because live good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. And I have seen this happen to our coaches and I'm seeing it with my own eyes. I'm witnessing it right now. And it's happening to me slowly. But it's happening to us already. We're not anymore as miserable as we were before. Alright? Kaya nga ako willingly sharing ako because I believe that if you have something good, if you're doing something good and blessing other people, do it again and again and again. That's why I'm here presenting to you again. So if you're not yet a member, make a decision now. Get back to the person who invited you or give you this link. Ask for their sponsors link. Mag-register ka na. Magbayad ka na rin ng $49.95. Become an affiliate member and you're one step closer to becoming a diamond and a crown diamond. Alright? So thank you very much. You can actually contact us. Join our team, the Millionaire Makers. Eto na po, simulan na po. Sisimulan na natin. And our team is keep on growing and growing and growing. And I really hope that you will become part of this team. And we want to journey with you. We want to journey in your success. All right? So with that, okay, I just want to leave you with this, I just want to leave you with this again. Gusto ko lang ulitin yung sinabi ko kanina na yung iba kasi they think na kung ano yung future natin, we cannot actually determine what our future is, pero we can actually create it. And it only takes one decision to be able to change our future. Why? Because yung present naman natin is a result of different decisions we made in our past. So if we make a decision today, then definitely it would change our future. The question is, what would you decide on? To make your life better, to make your future better, or to make your future the same, or even to make your future worse? Kasi if I were you, if I have the opportunity to change my life for the better, if I have the vehicle to change my life for the better, I would grab it. I would choose to have a better life. And that's what I'm doing right now. And I really hope that I brought value to you. And I really hope that you see value in Live Good. And one day, actually today, kung kaya, today sana maka-join ka na sa grupo natin. So with that, I leave you and thank you for staying over. I hope na nabigyan ko kayo ng value. It has been my pleasure presenting to you this business presentation and presenting to you Live Good and opening the opportunity to you. Again, this is Coach Mon Reyes saying thank you. Bye-bye.